Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we have a quickie video, and what we're doing is putting on this Honda clutch cover here. And on the Ice Bear Champion Facebook page you could get a hold of Luke, and he has those for sale. So we have this kit that is an impact screwdriver kit from Harbor Freight. They're $9.99 because I couldn't find all the adapters for mine. And this goes in here, and you hit it with a hammer, and watch. There we go. You hit it, and it undoes the super tight bolt without stripping out your Phillips bit. There we go. Ooh. Now you just take the new one. It's milled to perfection. Put it back in. And just like that, you're giving props to who invented this and who everyone has been copying for the last 50 years. to turn the idle up on that thing. He lets off the throttle and he stalls on the gauge. Although it's only the second time it's been out. Oh, she's getting wet. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, I don't like when the bottoms of my fenders get wet. No good, no good. I got a tail or a blinker out. This blinker. Good thing I have bulbs. Made in Japan. Oh yeah. Fuck you, China.